Hello, friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a new Outlook email account and then add it to Gmail so you can manage all your emails in one place. If you're someone who uses multiple email accounts for work, school, or personal communication, this tutorial will make your life much easier. So make sure to watch until the end, and if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what Outlook and Gmail are. Outlook is Microsoft's free email service that's part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It connects easily with tools like Word, Excel, OneDrive, and Teams, and it's great for both personal and professional use. It also has strong spam filters, a clean design, and solid security features. Gmail, on the other hand, is Google's email service. It's fast, reliable, and integrated with Google's apps like Drive, Calendar, Docs, and Meet. Gmail is known for its excellent search feature and simple organization tools. By linking Outlook with Gmail, you can manage all your emails from one inbox, saving you time and effort switching between different accounts. Now, let's start by creating a new Outlook account. Open your web browser and go to Outlook.com. On the homepage, click on Create Free Account. Choose the email address you want and select your preferred domain, such as @outlook.com or @hotmail.com. Then create a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After that, enter your first and last name, select your country or region, and add your birth date. Once done, you may be asked to complete a quick verification step, such as solving a puzzle or entering a code sent to your phone or email. After verification, your Outlook account will be created successfully. You can now use it to send and receive emails, access your calendar, and store files through OneDrive. Once your Outlook account is ready, it's time to link it with Gmail. Open Gmail in your web browser and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings, then go to the Accounts and Import tab. Under Check Mail from Other Accounts, click on Add a Mail Account. A small window will appear. Type in your Outlook email address and click Next. Choose the option Link Accounts using Demailify, which keeps both accounts synced in real time. That means if you delete, move, or read an email in Gmail, it will automatically update in Outlook as well. Click Next, enter your Outlook password, and allow Gmail to connect securely. Once it's linked, click Close to finish the process. Now you can manage all your emails in one place. Open Gmail, and you'll see that your Outlook messages appear right alongside your Gmail ones. You can even choose whether to reply from your Gmail address or your Outlook address, depending on who you're emailing. This setup is perfect for anyone juggling multiple email accounts, as it keeps everything organized in one convenient inbox. It's also worth mentioning how Gmailify works. Instead of permanently copying your Outlook messages, Gmailify links them in real time. This means you'll get Gmail's powerful features like spam protection, search filters, and labels automatically applied to your Outlook emails. And if you ever want to disconnect your Outlook account from Gmail, you can easily do that from the same settings menu. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a new Outlook email account and add it to Gmail. This setup helps you stay organized, saves time, and keeps all your important emails accessible in one place. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.